Building a playground is very different than growing a plant. And this is a great way to describe this upfront or waterfall design versus a dynamic feedback loop, which is agile or continuous improvement. Let's first take a look at a traditional software development lifecycle, or even building, let's say, a factory back when the Model T was around. You have a requirement, you go through to the next stage, which is the design, the implementation, the verification, and the maintenance. Now, a very good example of this would be a children's playground. In theory, you should know everything about what that structure is going to do. You should know about also, the safety requirements. You should know about the materials you're going to use. There should not be any surprises in building a playground. And so this really upfront design pattern where you go from one step to another is actually very good for a children's playground. But on the flip side, think about trying to do that with a fig tree, right? You can't actually design up front what a fig tree is going to do because there's so many dynamic things happening. There's going to be an impact on the insects that appear that year. There's an impact on how much rainwater comes into your fig tree. There's also going to be an impact on the soil, the wind. All these things are dynamically moving together to help that fig tree grow. And then it's up to, let's say, the farmer to work with those conditions dynamically and to adjust. And so that's really the idea here, is that software is like growing a plant, and you're going to need to dynamically address things, and you don't know everything up front, and you're going to have to continuously improve and have that mindset of continuous improvement, versus there are many things that work well with upfront design. Again, a children's playground is a very good example of that.